With the introduction of external graphics cards, high-end gaming has finally come to laptops. With an eGPU, you won't need to upgrade your entire setup to get the best out of a device. If you have a laptop with a Thunderbolt 3 port, you can attach an external GPU, leveraging all the benefits of a full-blown graphics card without having to carry around a bulky notebook. Buying one of these external video cards can be tricky. To help you find the best eGPU for your laptop, we have come with a list of the 5 best eGPUs in 2020. We have made this list based on our personal opinion and listed them based on the price, quality, durability, features, and more. Check out the description below to find more about the products. So, without further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the ASUS ROG-XG-Station-2. An external graphics solution that lets laptops achieve cutting-edge gaming performance by tapping into potent desktop graphics cards. Inserting a graphics card into ROG-XG-Station-2 is easy, and you can quickly connect your Thunderbolt 3 enabled laptops to create a powerful, VR-ready gaming machine. The ROG-XG-Station-2 supports full-length desktop graphics cards with coolers up to 2.5 slots wide, letting you choose from a broad range of options to suit your needs. You can easily upgrade to one of the best gaming performances with current and upcoming NVIDIA GeForce series and AMD Radeon series graphics cards. The Thunderbolt 3 transfers data up to 8 times faster than the USB 3.0 and offers 4 times video bandwidth of HDMI 1.4. It also supplies power to your devices, so you can easily enjoy desktop-grade performance with demanding tasks like gaming and 4K video editing. The internal power supply provides up to 500 watt to a high-performance graphics card and up to 100 watt to your laptops via Thunderbolt 3, eliminating the need for a separate power cable to help keep your system tidy. Express your unique style with the millions of colors and 5 different effects offered by ASUS Aura RGB lighting. This graphic amplifier comes with 4 USB 3.0 ports and 1 Gigabit Ethernet port for simultaneous keyboard, mouse, VR headset, monitor, and internet connectivity. With its host of features, unique design, and dedicated expansion I/O solution, the ASUS ROG-XG-Station-2 is an enticing offering at first glance. Next up at number 4, we have the Akitio Node, which is a 16.85 by 5.71 by 8.94 inches box made of stainless steel that is compatible with a variety of double-wide, full-length, full-height AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards. Connected to the computer via Thunderbolt 3, this additional GPU instantly upgrades a regular laptop or mini PC and makes it possible to do things that would normally require a high-end workstation or gaming computer. The 4 PCIe Generation 3 lanes and the Thunderbolt 3 interface are capable of transfer rates up to 40 gigabits per second, providing enough bandwidth even for the most demanding PCIe cards. The built-in power supply provides enough power for the Akitio Node as well as for graphics cards. If the standard 75 watt through the PCIe slot is insufficient, 2 extra pairs of 8-pin power connectors are available inside that can be connected to the GPU, providing a total of 390 watts of power. It also comes with a 120mm fan and open vents for additional cooling. Unlike competing products, the Akitio Node is a pure external GPU box and nothing more. It does not have extra USB 3.0 ports or a GBE controller nor a SATA connector. It is lightweight and comes with a carry handle to easily transport the device. With a great cooling system, compact size, and great performance, the Akitio Node graphic amplifier is a great option that money can buy. Coming in at number 3, we have the Gigabyte Aorus GTX 1070 gaming box. Powered by Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1060 overclock graphics card, the Aorus GTX 1070 gaming box turns the ultrabook laptops into a gaming platform, delivering incredible performance for graphics-intensive and VR-ready games. And with Gigabyte's thermal and overclocking technology, you will enjoy high performance in a quiet environment. This gaming box connects to the laptop's by Thunderbolt 3 that provides up to 40 gigabits per second speed, delivering the fastest connection to any dock, any display or data device, and also delivers 100-watt charge to laptops. With the quick charge feature, it provides 4 times faster charging than the conventional charging. With 16.7 million customizable color options and numerous lighting effects, you can choose lighting effects or synchronize with other Aorus devices. At just 2.4 kilograms weight, you can pretty easily carry around the entire unit with a provided carry bag, and its small footprint is suitable for any desk setup. For connectivity, this gaming box provides 3 USB ports to connect a mouse, a keyboard, a headset, a USB storage or any other USB devices, or plug a USB to Ethernet LAN adapter to use the wired network. It also provides 1 HDMI, 1 DisplayPort and 2 DLDVI-D for external monitor outputs for enjoying multi-view. The Gigabyte Aorus gaming box is ideal for gamers who want to travel light with a laptop yet have a gaming-capable system when they're home. Next up at number 2, we have the Alienware Graphics Amplifier. The new Alienware Graphics Amplifier allows you to enhance your Alienware notebooks at home, transforming it into a desktop-class gaming station. This graphics amplifier was designed with the feature in mind. Easily upgrade your graphics cards with the accessible design with support for a full-length, double-wide PCIe Express X16 graphics card, so you can take advantage of the graphics performance increase without having to upgrade your entire system. With the graphics amplifier, you can power as many additional screens as the graphics card within it can support. The performance from the Alienware graphics amplifier will be used on whichever screens the game or 3D application is running on. Set triggers, morph lights from one color to the next, and make your system glow and blink in tandem with the game, all made possible with the ability to customize your lighting theme via Alienware Command Center. The graphics amplifier includes a 460 watts internal power supply so you can run advanced graphics cards confidently. This graphics amplifier connects to your notebook with a single cable, enabling the PCI Express graphics card connection as well as your 4 USB 3.0 ports to be connected with less clutter and simple connectivity. If you own one of the supported Alienware laptops and want to give them a big performance boost, then the Alienware graphics amplifier is your best budget option. Finally, it's about the berserker of this list, because at number 1 we have the Razer Core X Chroma. Give your thin and light laptop the power of a full gaming rig with the new Razer Core X Chroma graphic amplifier. The Razer Core X Chroma features support for the latest PCIe desktop graphics cards including NVIDIA GeForce and AMD X-Connect enabled Radeon cards for enhancing gaming performance. Mobile developers can also harness the power of compatible NVIDIA Quadro cards and AMD Radeon Pro cards for professional graphics performance. For a quick connection to your gaming session, the Razer Core X Chroma offers plug-and-play features when connected with compatible laptops. The single Thunderbolt cable connection unlocks desktop graphics, peripherals, Gigabit Ethernet, and the Razer Chroma RGB lighting. The Thunderbolt 3 connection between a laptop and Razer Core X Chroma yields incredibly fast speeds while offering a standard connection to various systems. Stay at the top of your game by keeping your performance maxed. The Razer Core X Chroma lets you easily upgrade your graphics card so you can instantly give your laptop a boost. Perfectly sized to fit your setup, the Razer Core X Chroma features additional cooling and open vents in its aluminum body for optimized thermal performance. This amazing graphic amplifier comes with a 700-watt ATX PSU with 100-watt laptop charging via Thunderbolt 3. The Razer Core X Chroma is worth considering for people who need more graphics power than the laptop can handle with cool RGB but do not want or need a whole separate desktop PC.